Nijo Castle offers a direct look into the political world of the Tokugawa shoguns. Completed in 1603 for Tokugawa Ieyasu, it served as the shogun's Kyoto residence and later became the setting for major events that shaped Japanese history. The most important building is Ninomaru Palace, a complex of 6 connected structures decorated with elaborate woodwork, gold details, and paintings by the Kano school. Walking through the palace, visitors hear the famous Nightingale floors, which produce a chirping sound as people move across them. Contrary to popular belief, this effect was not originally designed as an alarm against intruders. Outside, the Ninomaru garden combines a pond, carefully placed rocks, pine trees, and islands arranged for views from the palace. The castle grounds also include massive stone walls, moats, gates, gardens, and open spaces that reveal its defensive scale. In 1867, Tokugawa Yoshinobu announced his intention to return political authority to the imperial court here, marking a turning point in Japanese history. Seasonal blossoms and changing foliage also give the extensive grounds a different character. Today, Nijo Castle combines architecture, art, landscape design, and political history, making it one of Kyoto's most important heritage sites and a UNESCO World Heritage Landmark.